Hello everyone. Welcome to Urban Food Forest. As we face the modern world, we are gifted with lots of technologies and innovation. And, if you are someone who is looking for a revolutionary way to grow your greens and herbs, you are in the right video. Today, we will discuss the nutrient film technique hydroponic system. So let us start by knowing the science behind it. In this system, a relatively shallow nutritional solution is sent via a tube. It uses a water pump to deliver the solution, and when the plant's bare roots come into touch with the water, they absorb the nutrients in the solution. Isn't that amazing? Let us start. For the materials, prepare the following. You'll need a reservoir to contain the nutrient solution, a nutrient pump. You'll need tubes to distribute water from the nutrient pump to the NFT growing tubes, a channel for the plants to grow in, net pots to contain the plants and growing media to start seedlings in, and of course a return system, tubing, channel, to guide the used nutrient solution back to the reservoir. Perhaps you are worrying, where can I get all those materials? Luckily, I have a system like this that you can purchase. It's the original mini farm. You can click the link on the description box below. Now, let's go to the steps to set your NFT hydroponics up. To set up your NFT system, you need to connect all the tubes. In this model I am using, you do not need any tool. Just make sure that all of the tubes are well linked and you're good to go. Your setup must look like this after connecting all the tubes. Next, connect the elbow tube in the allotted slot at the topmost tube and link the hose as well. This will serve as the channel for the nutrient solution later. After this, connect the other end of the hose to the aeration pump, and connect it to the timer. Set this setup aside as we prepare your seedlings. Get your seedlings and transplant them into the medium of your choice, but in this video, I will use sponge cubes. In doing this, make sure to immerse only the roots, and keep the stem and leaves above. After that, place each seedling in a net pot. Look at those cute seedlings. Now that you have already prepared your seedlings, let us go to the water reservoir. Pour water into your chosen reservoir. After that, get your nutrient solution, and mix it with the water. Make sure that you follow the proper amount as indicated in the label of the nutrient to avoid over or under nourishing your crops. After doing this, position your reservoir into the tube heading downwards in your NFT system. Place the aeration pump that you have set aside a while back inside the reservoir. The timer should remain outside the reservoir. Now, to provide the proper light requirement for your plants, install a grow light. You can do it the way I did it in this video, or you can devise your own way. You can position it based on your available space. You can now turn on your system. Check if the water is flowing in your grow tubes, then back to the reservoir. If everything is working well, place your net cups in each hole of the growing tubes. So there you have it, you are now ready to grow your own food using the nutrient film technique hydroponic system. What do you think of this guide? Do you want us to make more videos about hydroponic systems? Please let us know in the comments section below. By the way, we have videos on setting up a deep water culture system. You can also check those videos through the link in the description box. Thank you for joining us in today's video. Be sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon to turn on notifications for new videos. Happy growing!